Welcome to Uplift My Spirit. Begin your day with a sense of peace and tranquility as you immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. In this video, we will share soothing affirmations to help calm your heart and mind. Allow yourself to be fully present, breathe deeply, and let these affirmations guide you to a place of inner calm and positivity. Let's begin. Just like the birds, I am free to soar and explore. I find peace in the gentle songs of nature. My spirit is as light and free as a bird in flight. I embrace the tranquility of the natural world. I am connected to the beauty and harmony of nature. I let go of worries and embrace the serenity around me. My heart is light and my mind is at ease. I rise above challenges with grace and ease, like a bird in the sky. I am grateful for the beauty that surrounds me. I trust the journey, knowing I am supported by the universe. I am grounded, yet free to explore my dreams. I release all stress and embrace the stillness within. I trust in the natural flow of life. I am at peace with the world and myself. I am calm, centered, and at peace with myself. Thank you for joining us today at Uplift My Spirit. We hope these affirmations, along with the serene music and calming bird visuals, have brought you a sense of peace and positivity. Remember, you can return to this moment of calm anytime you need. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from a moment of tranquility.